is Maria-Carin Gala.
And this is Adam Barley. Are you in need of a little nourishment in this point in your life?
And in world history? We love eating good food.
And we love dancing.
And we'd love to share both with you.
Do you want to learn how to make plant-based, vegan, gluten-free and refined sugar-free foods?
Food will be ready prepared by Madame Gala here. So we don't have to cook all of it on the spot.
Yes, but we are going to make lots of things together.
We're aware that this subject of nourishing ourselves and connecting with the body and dealing with food, that can bring stuff up. So it's definitely not just, let's all be happy, feel good workshop. There'll be space for you to learn about yourself and go through some stuff, I would imagine.
Of course, we always do in Adam's work.
I guess that's true. So we're going to have 3 days to dance and cook and eat together, and some of the movement practices will be super simple, practical tools you can take home and use in your day-to-day life.
And I'm going to show you how to make delicious breakfast, lunch, dinners, snacks, desserts, and we're going to cook together, we're going to make them together, and we're going to create more awareness around how we eat and how we cook. And we're going to dance in the kitchen.